Hello students. Let's read concept of long and short. Listen carefully and repeat. Concept of long and short. Circle the object that is longer and cross the shorter object. This girl has longer hairs. This girl has shorter hairs. This monkey has longer stem. This monkey has shorter stem. This is shorter pencil. This is longer pencil. This girl has longer rope. This girl has shorter rope. Happy learning!